The simple way of getting to the middle of any of the linked list is simply by performing 1.5 iteration over the linked list. One iteration would be to count the number of nodes, right? Initially you set the counter variable to 0 and perform one iteration over the linked list. That takes a time complexity on. Then after that you calculate the middle and from the head iterate to the half of the linked list. That takes a time complexity on by 2. So total the brute force way of getting to the middle takes n plus n by 2, right? Now there is a better way to do, and actually there is an algorithm designed just to get to the middle of any of the linked list in on by 2 time complexity. All you have to do is assign two pointer, right? Fast and slow pointer, and assign it to the head. Then what you have to do is you move the slow pointer one step forward and fast pointer two step forward, and at the end of the iteration, at the end of iteration, half iteration, your slow pointer would be at the middle. So you move the slow pointer one step forward and the fast pointer two step forward, right? Then again you move the slow pointer one step forward and fast pointer two step forward, right? Now clearly the fast pointer cannot move any further, so if you see the slow pointer is actually at the middle. Now for the even case, what you do is that you move fast pointer two step forward and slow pointer one step forward. Then again you move the fast two step forward and slow one step forward. Now again the fast cannot move any further, so slow is at the middle. Now writing the code will be simple. So set the fast and the slow to head, right? This should be our first step. Slow at head. Then we have to run a loop. Now loop we need to put a condition inside it, right? Now how much time, like up to when we should continue the loop? When the fast pointer is at the null and the fast pointer is at the last node. So this should be our condition, right? The fast pointer cannot be null and the fast pointer next cannot be at the last node. So fast dot next should not be null. So by writing the and with the and statement, we make sure that we pass for the even and odd case, both of these cases, right? So we put an and. Now all you have to do, move the slow pointer one step forward, slow next, and move the fast pointer two step forward, fast next, next, right? Now at the end of it, your slow pointer will be at the middle of the node. Now the time complexity, talking about the time complexity, when n is really high, the slow pointer is actually moving 3 steps. When the total number of node is 5, then the n will be really high. The time complexity will be n O of n by 2, right? So this is an algorithm actually designed to get to the middle of the node.